It's Tales of the Cocktail 2014. I'm here with the founder of the festival, Ann Tuderman. It is your 12th year. Congratulations to you. This has been wonderful.
Thank you very much. I know it's really hard to believe it's our 12th year, but yeah, here we are. So.
Well, and the more we're in the industry, we talk to people about cocktails, about spirits, more and more folks just say more and more amazing things about Tales of the Cocktail.
Well, we're glad to hear that. I mean, we have a team of 5 people. We work, all year long. I mean, right after this week, we start planning the next year. So, we put a lot of time and effort into it and really, are thrilled when people enjoy it and, make it an annual destination.
And we think most people watching this already know the answer to this question, but just in case, what is Tales of the Cocktail?
Tales of the Cocktail is a 5-day culinary and cocktail festival. It takes place in New Orleans every July, and it's really curated for the professional mixologist. So if you're a professional mixologist, this is where you come to learn, once a year to, interact, network, attend seminars, tasting rooms, with your peers, mentors, colleagues, just, one big gathering place for all those folks.
It's the gathering of all our friends in the industry. I mean, there's nothing like it, just to be right here, to know that everyone is right here.
It is, and last night I was talking to 2 gentlemen from Jacksonville, and I love what they said. They said, we come here and we don't feel like a nobody, which is the feeling we've always tried to make. So it's like, David Wondrich is just as excited to talk to them as they are to talk to him. And, it's really good interaction with, all the groups of people.
And how has it grown this year? What's new this year?
Oh, we always have lots of new stuff. Well, first, we always have all new content. So all the seminars, all the tasting rooms, a lot of the happy hour series are all new. So the same structure, but all new content. But we put together some other great new things. One is called Restaurant Week. One is called Dynamic Duos. And Restaurant Week is kind of like the Spirited Dinners, but all week long. So Monday to Monday of Tales of the Cocktail, you can go have a great, price fixed menu. So here at the Hotel Monteleone, you could eat lunch at Crayola for $30 with Pisco cocktails paired with your meal. And then dynamic duos are really fun. We've paired bartenders kind of with their, mentors or colleagues. So you have Dale DeGroff bartending with Chris McMillan and Jim Meehan bartending with Abigail Gulo at Sobu. You have Julie Reiner with Lou Brow at Cafe Adelaide. So again, the attendees get to go, and maybe you haven't had a drink made by Julie Reiner, even if you've been in Clover Club, but maybe you've never had a drink made by Dale DeGroff. That would be something special. So those are 2 new things that we're really excited about, because they also drive business to all of our local bars and restaurants, which is really important for us during this time of year.
That's excellent. And it continues to grow. You've taken Tales on the road. We've seen in several other locations besides New Orleans.
Yes, and we just announced yesterday that our next city will be Mexico City. So we spent 2 years in Vancouver, 2 years in Buenos Aires. We do 2 years in each city. And 2015 we'll be going to Mexico City, which has a fabulous, bubbling, up-and-coming cocktail culture there.
Well, it's always our favorite week of the year, just to be here with you all, to be celebrating. Where do you hope this all goes? I mean, you've been doing it for 12 years. 12 years later, what do you hope to see?
I want to keep going. I mean, I say I want Tales of the Cocktail to be my gift to the city of New Orleans. So hopefully I live a little longer, but that's my ultimate goal.
Well, I think it certainly has been. As we talk to people in New Orleans the last several years, a lot of them have known about it. Some haven't, but now it seems like everywhere we go, if we mention Tales, people know it. They're excited about it. And it just keeps growing and growing. So congratulations to you, and thank you for putting this together, because it's really special to all of us.
Well, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ann.